Welcome! If you want to log SIM card with SIM pin into a MOTOROLA Moto G200, first of all open your settings and find security option, this one. Here we got SIM card lock on the bottom, so click it, and for locking SIM card need turn on this option here. SIM locked, warning, click OK, and now need enter your pin for locking SIM card with pin. So for example 1 2 3 4 and click OK, and that's it. Now we lock our SIM card. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.